Hey, welcome to my Faceless Video Empire Bundle Review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful digital product that lets you tap into the viral power of Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Reels using 1,000 plus faceless videos with full master resell rights. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to record yourself, edit videos, or spend hours creating content. Everything's done for you. Just plug in your branding and you're ready to post or resell. Stick around because I'll also break down all the bonuses and upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before you make a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 5+ years in affiliate marketing, reviewing digital tools that actually help you grow and monetize. If that's something you're into, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And here's a treat. I've included exclusive bonuses only available through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your traffic, engagement, and resale profits with this bundle. Check the description for all the details. So, what is the Faceless Video Empire Bundle? Faceless Video Empire is a mega bundle of over 1,000 viral, faceless Instagram Reels and videos, designed to help you dominate social media, grow your brand, and resell for 100% profits. It's built for content creators, digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, and anyone who wants to generate engagement, leads, or sales without showing their face. And the best part? It includes master resell rights plus PLR, so you can rebrand and sell it as your own. No face? No problem. No editing skills? Still no problem. Standout features that caught my eye: 1,000 plus faceless reels in niches like motivation, success, wealth, business, and more. 500 plus AI generated reels, unique, engaging, and ready to post. 1,360 plus motivational reels, perfect for high traffic social channels, 100% editable in Canva. Just add your logo, change text, or insert music. Master resell rights. Sell the bundle and keep all the profits. Bonus vault included free. You're also getting some insane bonus value. 15,000 ChatGPT prompts for content, marketing, and automation. 500 plus premium eBooks with resale rights. 2,000 plus MidJourney prompts for AI image creation. 50 plus digital planners. Hot sellers on Etsy Faceless Marketing Guide. A step-by-step blueprint for making money with Reels, how it works. It's super simple. 1. Download the bundle. 2. Open any video in Canva. 3. Customize with your logo, colors, and text. 4. Export and post or resell as your own digital product. No editing headaches, no fancy tools, just plug and play. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? When you grab the main bundle, you'll get access to some optional upgrades. Pro upgrade. Unlock even more viral content and templates done for you. Social kit. Pre-built content ready to upload. DFY affiliate campaigns. Plug and play email swipes and promo content. Reseller license. Sell the product and keep 100% of every sale. Pick the upgrades that match your goals. Skip the rest. What I love about it: perfect for beginners. No filming, no tech, no editing, ready to resell. Build your own brand around the content. Fast way to grow your social presence or start a side hustle. Priced crazy low for what you're getting. What could be better? Honestly, if you're looking to create complex custom video edits from scratch, this isn't it. This bundle is built for speed and simplicity, not advanced video production. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking to build a social media brand, grow a faceless channel, or start reselling digital products without creating from scratch, then Faceless Video Empire is a smart, affordable investment. You're getting 1,000 plus ready-to-use videos, commercial rights, and thousands in bonus content, all for the price of a few coffees. Click the link below to grab it now, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my Faceless Video Empire review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.